Hello friend, I already give you near about 10 download link for growing your traffic. Now I also give you more tutorials about how to grow your traffic. So you can download the important tutorials for getting thousand and thousand traffic to your site. Here are the 10 to 12 links or 8 links here. I give you all the links you will get in my description. So you download and read and learn. So learn and grow by downloading these video tutorials and also some informative page there. You all the download and read it. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.